Have you ever wondered how your body works? Imagine a bustling city where millions of events take place every second. That's your body, an intricate system of organs, each with a specific function, all working in harmony to maintain life. In this metropolis of cells and tissues, the brain serves as the command center, the heart ensures a steady flow of life-giving blood, the lungs keep the body oxygenated, and the liver acts as a vigilant gatekeeper, filtering out toxins. But there's more to this system than meets the eye. Other organs like the spleen, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, kidneys, intestines, and bladder each play a crucial role in your survival. In this video, we will journey through this intricate system, exploring the functions and anatomy of these major organs. By understanding how each organ works, you gain a greater appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the human body. First, we delve into the brain, the body's control center. This complex organ is responsible for a myriad of functions. It's the brain that allows us to think, make decisions, experience emotions, and create memories. It's also the brain that controls our speech production and our muscle movements, maintaining coordination and balance. Furthermore, the brain is the hub for sensory reception, processing information from our 5 senses to help us interact with the world around us. The brain is divided into several parts, each with a unique role. The frontal lobe is involved in decision-making and problem-solving, while the parietal lobe processes sensory information. The occipital lobe is crucial for vision, and the temporal lobe handles sound and memory. The cerebellum coordinates muscle movements, and the brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord, controlling automatic functions like breathing and heart rate. The brain, a marvel of nature, is the command center for our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Next, we turn our attention to the lungs, a key player in the respiratory system. These twin organs, filling up most of our chest cavity, are tasked with the vital role of oxygenating our blood and expelling waste in the form of carbon dioxide. Imagine the process of breathing, a constant rhythm we maintain without even thinking about it. Inhaling draws oxygen-rich air into our lungs where it travels down a branching network of tubes, the trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles, finally reaching the tiny air sacs known as alveoli. These alveoli, millions in number, are where the magic happens. Oxygen from the air we breathe diffuses through their thin walls and into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product of our cells, makes the reverse journey, ready to be exhaled out. The lungs, constantly at work, ensure we have the oxygen needed for life. Now, let's take a close look at the heart, the engine of our circulatory system. This magnificent organ, roughly the size of your clenched fist, is the tireless workhorse that pumps blood throughout our body. The heart's primary role is to ensure a constant supply of oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, from the top of our heads to the tips of our toes. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, the right and left atrium at the top, and the right and left ventricle at the bottom. These chambers work in perfect harmony, contracting and relaxing to pump blood in a rhythmic cycle we know as the heartbeat. The heart also has 4 valves, the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves. These valves act like doors, opening and closing to ensure blood flows in the correct direction. The heart, tirelessly pumping, circulates life-giving blood to every cell in our body. There are many other organs that play vital roles in our body's function. Let's delve into these hidden heroes of our body, starting with the spleen. This organ is our blood's personal quality control inspector. It filters blood, recognizing and removing old or damaged blood cells. Additionally, the spleen helps fight infections by creating white blood cells, our body's defenders. Next, we have the stomach, a J-shaped organ that plays a pivotal role in digesting the food we eat. This organ is divided into 5 parts: the cardia, fundus, body, pyloric antrum, and pyloric canal. Using its muscles and gastric juices, the stomach breaks down food into a semi-liquid state, preparing it for further digestion and absorption. Behind the stomach, we find the pancreas, an organ that wears 2 hats. First, it performs exocrine functions by helping with digestion through enzyme production. Second, it performs endocrine functions by regulating our blood sugar levels, through the production of insulin and glucagon. Moving on, let's discuss the liver, our body's largest internal organ. The liver is essentially a processing plant. It purifies our blood, metabolizes drugs, produces plasma proteins and clotting factors, and even produces bile, which is essential for digestion. Speaking of bile, this brings us to the gallbladder. The gallbladder is like a storage unit for the bile produced by the liver. When we eat, particularly foods containing fat, the gallbladder releases the stored bile to aid in digestion and the breakdown of fats. Now, let's shift our focus to the kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are crucial in maintaining the body's chemical balance. They filter our blood, excrete waste and excess fluid as urine, secrete hormones and activate vitamin D. Let's not forget our small and large intestines. These organs have the critical job of digesting food, absorbing nutrients and excreting waste. The small intestine is primarily responsible for digestion and nutrient absorption, while the large intestine absorbs water and salt, turning waste into solid material for excretion. Finally, we come to the bladder. This organ stores the urine produced by the kidneys until it's time for us to excrete it. The bladder stretches and contracts as needed and has valves to prevent urine backflow. Each organ, in its own unique way, contributes to the overall function and health of the body. Our bodies are like intricate pieces of machinery, with each organ playing its part to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's truly fascinating how all these organs, each with its unique function, work together to keep us alive and well. So the next time you think about your body, remember to appreciate the incredible work your organs are doing behind the scenes. Each breath you take, each morsel of food you eat, each step you take, they're all made possible by these amazing organs. Each organ, in its own unique way, contributes to the overall function and health of the body. Understanding the functions and anatomy of our organs provides a deeper appreciation of our bodies. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of our major organs, exploring the brain's intricate control of our actions and emotions, the lungs' vital role in respiration, and the heart's ceaseless pumping of life-giving blood. We've delved into the spleen's filtering capabilities, the stomach's digestive prowess, and the dual roles the pancreas plays in digestion and blood sugar regulation. We've uncovered how the liver purifies our blood, the gallbladder aids in fat breakdown, and the kidneys maintain our body's chemical balance. Finally, we've seen how our intestines digest food and absorb nutrients, and how the bladder stores and excretes urine. Each organ, with its unique function and structure, contributes to the magnificent symphony that is our body, working harmoniously to maintain our health. Stay informed and enhance your knowledge by subscribing to Learn Easy Science for more educational content.